I've been exploring the ADP app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the ADP app. The ADP app is essentially a tool designed to simplify managing payroll, time, and HR tasks, all from your phone. Whether you're an employee or a manager, this app brings the essential work-related information together, helping you stay organized no matter where you are. Starting with the key features, the app gives employees easy access to pay statements, work hour tracking, and time off requests, all right at their fingertips. Benefits details and important updates are also just a tap away. On the manager side, the app provides tools for approving time cards, managing schedules, and keeping communication flowing with the team. It even supports managing direct deposit information and accessing tax documents like W-2 forms. The interface is clear and straightforward, with quick menus and secure login options like biometrics to give you peace of mind. From my personal experience, the ADP app has made keeping track of my pay and hours much easier. No need to log into a computer anymore. The time off request process is smooth and cuts down on endless email exchanges. I've also found push notifications helpful for staying on top of new pay slips and HR announcements. Navigating the app feels intuitive overall, and the security features make me confident my information is safe. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, sometimes loading larger documents like detailed pay stubs or tax forms can be slow. Some features feel a bit buried within menus, so it might take a moment to find exactly what you need. The design is very functional but doesn't do much to engage users visually, which might feel a bit bland for some. Finally, occasional syncing issues with employer systems can cause delays when updates appear on your device. Still, despite these minor setbacks, the ADP app remains a reliable, convenient way to manage payroll and HR tasks on the go. For anyone looking for a secure and dedicated solution for work-related administration, it's definitely worth a try. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.